Today I'm going to give you a quick introduction about Readworks. Please take note of the tabs up at the top of the page. The passage contains the story that you're going to read. Vocabulary contains key vocabulary that you'll hear during the story. And the question set at the end will ask you questions about the story. Also, please look at these tab buttons at the top. This is the text enlarger button. You have regular, medium, and large text. If you click it again, it'll go back to the beginning. The paragraph button simply marks a paragraph with a number. That way you can refer back to a specific paragraph if you're looking for certain information. The ABC button blocks out certain content so that you can focus one line at a time as you read the story. Lastly, let me turn these off. Lastly, you have this one that looks like a book, which splits your page into half. This is particularly useful if you want to look at the questions and the story side by side and refer back and forth to each one of these things.